And welcome back to the Trying Dutchman. It's so nice to have the reputation. If we don't want it, maybe he wants it. Yes, a corn stove. Donate it. Not sure if it worked, but hey, that's the episode for this time. Bought some pellets. Okay, we got a pellet stove. I don't have a fixed place yet, so I want to use this dolly and a steel plate. I've got some pipes to go through this door, so maybe it's going to be the woodworking stove heater, because that thing doesn't give any heat at all, but we'll see. And first thing to do, of course, is take it apart. See, because they used corn, maybe some critters had gotten into it and eaten it away, but wires look good. When I took the side off, one wire was loose, but I didn't think it had to do anything with it. So cleaned it, gave it a good blow, and hey, whoa, we got a fan going. That's good. But, well, not everything was working, and one of the reasons it wasn't working was that little critter stuck in the auger. There he goes, two of them. Mummified and hard. Took them out, started it up again, and it went like a champ. Okay, I think I like it here. It's on wheels, but okay, it needs an exhaust. So what I did, I got a hole in the door. Had a small, oh, now the door's frozen. There we go. It's sunny. Okay, so we had come here, doggy. We had a small piece of pipe. Got a hole in the door. So that fence to the outside. Got to make a flap or something that it closes in summer. And there we go. Yoo-hoo! And it was even triple insulated then. Oh yeah, it's working. Woo! Okay, now the smoke is forced out, so that is easy. Okay, so here I did a little experiment in my workshop, which is non-insulated. It's got big cracks in the wall that the wind can just come in. So 2, 3. Inside temperature here was 3 Celsius. Then half an hour later, the fan started blowing, so I had the fire going. Then temperature went up 2 degrees. At 4 o'clock, it was 7 degrees, and then actually temperature didn't go up anymore. One of the reasons was the sun was gone, and I stopped. I'll do it another day again, but at least it got the workshop up 4 degrees Celsius. Jim, thanks for it. It works perfectly. Thanks for watching. I also had to say thanks to Ryan and Jim that came over at the time it went completely wrong. All the smoke came in the workshop, but it was cleared out and it's working great now. See you next time.
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.